You've got Wi-Fi at home, right? It's everywhere, at work, in cafes, and let's be honest, you're probably using it to watch this video right now. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how does the internet actually reach your phone without any wires? You open YouTube, scroll through reels, hop on video calls, and all of this happens through an invisible signal. We all know the term Wi-Fi, but what's really going on behind it? Is that little router box is just a signal pusher, or is there more happening inside? Today, we're diving deep into what Wi-Fi is, how it works, and how your phone receives data every single second. Let's get started. Wi-Fi is a type of wireless technology. It connects your phone, laptop, smart television, all your devices to the internet without wires. But here's something important. Wi-Fi and the internet are not the same thing. The internet is the global network of servers, websites, and online content. Wi-Fi is just a medium, a bridge that connects your device to the router. That router is then connected to your internet service provider like Jio, Airtel, BSNL, which gives you access to the internet. So no, Wi-Fi isn't magic. It's actually a form of radio signal similar to what your radio or Bluetooth uses. It's a kind of light wave, but with a much longer wavelength, which is why we can't see it with our eyes. And because these waves can pass through walls, you can use Wi-Fi from almost any room in the house. Now, when you turn on Wi-Fi on your phone, it starts scanning for nearby network. The names you see on your screen, like Home Wi-Fi or Geo Fiber Office, they are actually called SSIDs, Service Set Identifiers. When you tap on a network and enter the password, it's not just about getting connected. There's a whole process starting behind the scenes. First, your router gives your phone a unique IP address, a number that helps the router understand which device is making what data request. See, 5 people are using the same Wi-Fi at home. Each of them gets a different IP, otherwise the data would get mixed up. Now, let's say you open YouTube and play a video. That simple tap triggers a whole chain of events that you never even see. When you play a video, your phone sends a request to the router, but that request doesn't go as one big file. It gets broken down into small pieces called data pack. Each packet carries part of the data, written in ones and zeros, what we call binary code. Now the phone converts these binary packets into radio signals, which is the actual data for Wi-Fi. These signals travel at a specific frequency, typically 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. 2.4 GHz is a bit slower, but it can reach farther. 5 GHz is faster, but its range is shorter. Even within these signals, there are small lanes called channels. Just like only one car can travel in one lane at a time, similarly, only one device can send data through a channel at a time. So, if 3 people are downloading on the same Wi-Fi, their devices will send data one by one or more naturally. A lot of people think the router is just a box that gives signal, but in reality, it's a smart system managing all incoming and outgoing data. When your data reaches the router, it passes it on to your ISP, your internet service provider. The ISP then connects to the server of the website you requested, like YouTube, where the video is stored. Then, that server also breaks the video into binary packets and sends them back to you, like YouTube server to ISP, ISP to router, router to your phone. Your phone then puts all those packets together, and then only the video starts playing on your screen. And this whole process from sending the request to receiving the data happens in just a few milliseconds. But understanding how Wi-Fi works isn't enough. There are a few more important things you should know. To keep Wi-Fi signals secure, routers use encryption like WPA2 or WPA3. This ensures that no one else can sniff or steal your data. If you move away from the router, the signal weakens. Walls, furniture, and other electronic devices can block Wi-Fi signals. That's why in bigger houses, people use mesh routers, which are multiple routers working together to spread signal evenly across the house. And every device has a unique ID known as MAC address. Your router can be set up to only allow specific MAC addresses, which means only selected devices can connect to your Wi-Fi. So the next time you tap on a video or scroll a reel, remember there's a massive system working in the background. Radio signals, frequency bands, router's IP system, data packets, and server coordination. Wi-Fi might feel like magic, but behind the scenes, it's a genius mix of science, engineering, and design, all working silently to keep you connected. Now you know how Wi-Fi works, but have you ever wondered what really happens when you delete a file? Is it truly gone forever? Or do companies like Google and Apple still keep it hidden somewhere? If you're curious to know the truth behind this invisible system, then don't miss this video.